Lesson number 18. Addition and subtraction in pair. We will learn in this lesson that from every example of addition, we can get 2 examples of addition. We can get 2 examples of subtraction. Now look at the sum. 10 plus 12 equals 22. This is an example of addition. Now we learn how to get 2 examples of subtraction from this. 10 plus 12 equals 22. Now see the first example of subtraction. Take 22 from the above number and we have subtracted 10 numbers and the answer is 12. Now look at the second example of subtraction from above addition. 22 minus 12 equals 10. In this way, an example of addition. We get 2 examples of subtraction. Now let's see another example of addition. 71 plus 22 equals 93. See the first example of subtraction. 93 minus 22 equals 71. See it here as well. 5 plus 5 equals 10. From this addition, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Get only one example is not that easy even. Now, let's learn another type of addition and subtraction pair. 1. Vedashri read 9 pages of a book. How many more pages should she read to finish reading 15 pages? Answer. Sarika said, I will subtract. I will take away 9 from 15 and we will get the answer. 15 minus 9 equals 6. Amit said, I will count from 9 forward to 15 to get the subtraction. So forward of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. This is the 6 numbers. So Amit's answer also 6, which means 15 minus 9 equals 6 and 9 plus 6 equals 15. Is it fun? Now let's see another example. Hasina collected 30 seeds. Some of them are chiku seeds and remaining 22 are of custard apples. How many chiku seeds are there? Look here what is given and what is asked. Answer. Given total 30 seeds. Asked how many seeds of chiku? First, solve with subtraction. Total 30 seeds minus custard apple seeds means 30 minus 22 equals 8. Now let's see. Look at the example of addition. From that, what is given? 22 seeds of custard apples and total 30 seeds. What is asked? How many seeds of chiku means count till 30 next to 22 seeds of custard apples. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. There were 8 numbers. So, after subtracting and adding, the answer is 8. Now you can solve different examples from the examples learned in this lesson and do a lot of practice.